Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting and challenging equation x equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over square root x for the real values of x. At first glance it looks very easy question to solve. We have one continued fraction in right hand side, and we have a square root x in the denominator with x in the LHS. I want you to pause the video right now and try this equation by yourself first. As we have a square root x, so for x to be real, our x must be greater than 0. X cannot be 0, x cannot be negative. Now we'll be using substitution. Let us say square root x equal to y. So we will write here square root x equal to y. We have x real number, then we can say y must be greater than 0, positive. So in place of x, which is in our left hand side, we can write y square. So our equation will become y square equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over y. Now we are going to simplify this denominator first. So I can write will be equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over. Now we will write y plus 1 over y plus 1 over y. So we have to consider reciprocal of y plus 1 over y, which will be equal to y over y plus 1. So we can write y square equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus y over y plus 1. So we'll write here y over y plus 1. Now we are going to simplify this denominator. So we can write will be equal to 1 plus, we'll write 1 over. Here we will write y plus 1 plus y with denominator y plus 1. So y plus y is 2y. We will write 1 plus 1 over 2y plus 1 over y plus 1. Now we have to take reciprocal. We will be writing here 1 plus y plus 1 over 2y plus 1. So in place of 1, we can write this is equal to 2y plus 1 over 2y plus 1. Then we have y plus 1 over 2y plus 1. Denominator is common. We will write here 2y plus 1, and in numerator we will add 2y plus 1 with y plus 1 will be equal to 3y plus 2 over 2y plus 1. So finally we have y square in simplified form 3y plus 2 over 2y plus 1. I will write here y square equal to 3y plus 2 over 2y plus 1. Now we will multiply both sides by 2y plus 1. We will be getting y square times 2y plus 1 equal to 3y plus 2. After expanding our LHS, we will get 2y cube plus y square. And in RHS, we have 3y plus 2. By writing all the terms to LHS, we are going to get one cubic equation, 2y cube plus y square minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. I will use synthetic division method and rational root theorem. So I will write here the eligible factors of constant. So I can write here plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. Leading coefficient is 2. So I can write here plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Now we have to take the ratio of constant to leading coefficient. In that series, if I will plug in y equal to 1, will it satisfy? So let us check. 2 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. No, it is not. If I will check y equal to minus 1, will it satisfy? Minus 2 plus 1 plus 3 minus 2. Yes, 4 minus 4 is 0. So we will say y equal to negative 1 is our base solution. Now we can use synthetic division method. I need to write all the coefficients of cubic equation. So 2, 1, minus 3, minus 2. I will write coefficients 2, 1, minus 3, minus 2 with base solution y equal to minus 1. Now I will write here synthetic division method. So our leading coefficient 2 would be as it is. Now we have to multiply our base solution with this leading coefficient 2. Minus 1 times 2, product is minus 2, we'll write here. Now we have to add these two numbers. We will get minus 1. Again, we'll multiply minus 1 with minus 1, product will be 1. Now we will add these two numbers, we'll write here minus 2. We'll multiply minus 1 with minus 2, which we will write here. Addition of these two will give us 0. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation, which I can write 2y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. I can use quadratic formula. As per formula, a is 2, coefficient of y square, b is negative 1, coefficient of y, c is minus 2, constant. So we will write here y will be equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. Minus 1 square, we can write 1 directly. Minus 4 times a times c, which is minus 2, over 2 times a. So 2 times 2 is 4. Will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 16 over 4. So we can write this will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 17 over 4. So we have 3 y values as per our cubic equation. Let me write all the 3 values here. Y equal to minus 1, our base solution. Y equal to 1 plus root 17 over 4. And y equal to 1 minus root 17 over 4. Our substitution was root x equal to y. For x to be real, y must be positive. Square root x must be positive. So I will reject these two solutions as they are negative. Here also this is negative. So we are going to reject. I will write y value, which we have to accept 1 plus square root 17 over 4. And this is equal to square root x. Now we'll be squaring both sides to get the only real solution. I will write x equal to 1 plus square root 17 over 4 whole square will be equal to 1 plus 17 plus 2 square root 17 over 4 square is 16. So I can write here x will be equal to 18 plus 2 square root 17 over 16 will be equal to 9 plus square root 17 over 8. So our final answer becomes 9 plus square root 17 over 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.